What's up guys, welcome to this new video, and in this video I'm going to show you an exciting way of earning online, and it's just a passive way to earn money. You just need to have non-copyright ebooks and music that you want to sell, and it's completely passive income guys, and it's a good way to earn a lot. Even guys, people are earning millions of dollars by just selling their ebooks. Okay, you just need to have just 80% profit, and on ebooks you can get 90% profit. All your marketing and stuff will do this website. Okay, the website link is in my description box, you can check out. And guys, you can see that Apple Music, Spotify, Amazon, YouTube are their partners. Okay, so it's not a fake website, it's a genuine website guys, through which you can also earn. You can see much more about this website when you scroll down. Okay, you can see that there are lots of releases that it will take, and it's 1993. Okay, so you can see that there are lots and lots of things guys through which you can earn. Okay, by selling music and your ebooks. Okay, I'll show you step by step how you can able to earn. You might have a question guys that I'm not a I don't have I'm not a book writer, or I'm not a music creator or director. How can I earn? Don't worry guys, it's just completely free. You just have some patience. I just show you step by step. If you have no skill, it's just completely free for you. Okay, you don't need to spend a penny from your pocket. You don't require any skill. I'll show you how you can able to earn while you are not a writer or a musician. Okay, so just have patience. So the links for these website is in my description box. Okay, you can check out. So how you can earn? Just I need to set up my my account. So when you open the link in the description box, you can give this account. Okay, this account will open, and just you need to write your first name, last name, and your email ID. That's it. Okay, so my email, my name, okay, and my email ID. Okay, I just put these things and just click on this get started. Okay, so guys, this is a page that is open in front of you while you are logging in. Okay, you need to fill some forms. Okay, I just type some details in this. Anil 1234. Okay, set up my password. Make sure that you meet all the requirements of the passwords. Okay, just have a question. Okay, it's not required your company name or title. Okay, you can leave it. Mail. Okay, I just specify my date of birth. Okay, and whatever you want to sell. If you want to sell these published ebook or distribution ebook or publishing music, you can select even YouTube multiple channels as well. Okay, so just click. I just recommend you to click on everything. Okay, it's just and where did you come to learn? Online. Okay, just type online. Okay, and just click on this submit for free registration. Just click on this, and guys, an email is sent to your email ID. Okay, whatever email ID that you have put in, just they just want you to activate your email ID account. Okay, so this is a link that they are giving you. Activate your Fiverr account. Okay, just click on this thing and you can able to register. Okay, now your registration is successful. Just need to sign up. Oh, not sign up, just log in. Just click on this button and just type in whatever your username is and your password. and just fill this captcha and just click on this login. Okay, and guys, your account is ready. Just click on this my account and you can see that, guys, you can sell your books online in this website. You don't need to have any kind of skills. I just come up with this ebook section. Okay, just click on this ebooks. Okay, just click on this publishers button. Okay, create a new publisher, and you can see that you can publish your name, website and all. So I just find out how to do new releases of your okay, books, how you can sell your books. Just check out. Ebooks, you can see that ebooks. Okay, just you need to create a ebook. So create a new ebook. Okay, so in this you are coming up in this section, guys. Okay, I have just click, nothing I do, I just click on this book section and just click on this ebooks. Okay, in order to publish these things, you need to, guys, you need to fill this form. Okay, you need to fill this whole form. And how you can able to fill, you can say that I don't have a publisher name, I don't have title, subtitles, author's name, the role, language of a book, price of a book that I need to select. Okay, this you don't need to have to do it. Okay, just select what is having stars. Okay, so the description about the book, the keywords that you use for whether it is a motivational or others, description about the author, page number. Okay, layouts, either it is rollable or fixed layout. Okay, you need to fill these things. Libraries, you can see rental, you can take. Okay, don't do these things who are don't having any star, just fill those that needs to be required. Okay, star thing is needs to be required. These all are general WLB and what is the theme of the book. Okay, so these all information you just need to find out. But where do we find out these information? From books. Okay, from books, from the predefined authors of a books. So how can we find out? I just gave you a website, guys, website link. You can see that free PLR downloads. So this is a website, guys, which is having unlimited ebooks. You can even download it and have a read on certain books. I just come into this section, guys. Don't mess up with this, guys. If a book is of copyright content, then your account might be seized. Okay, so don't do such things. Okay, I just click on this and you can see that free PLR ebooks. Just click on this thing and it is refreshing, and you can select whatever particular niches that you need, whether it is affiliate marketing, business, finance, all the keywords that you need to put in this. Okay, on this website. Okay, in order to publish it. Okay, you can download any of these books. Let us suppose we'll just I want to download this thing. You just click on this. You can see that it consists of everything. Okay, the license, it consists of 32 pages. I've seen that it requires a number of pages as well. Okay, how many pages? Here it is. Okay, how many number of pages, and you can enter it. Okay, all the details are on your just click on this download button and you can able to download all of these things, and the description of the book is there. You just need to cut, copy, paste and just post it on the description. Okay, the description of a book. Okay, it's very easy, guys. You can see that where you can do everything. Description of a book is here. Okay, you just need to select, just need to download it, and whenever you download it, all the information on the abstract, the front pages will contain all of these informations. Don't worry, you will find everything. Okay, so it's a good way, guys. Then after filling this form, just you need to upload it and publish it. Click on the publish button and you can see that your book is now online. You can sell it on worldwide. You can see that you can have a balance right now in euros, guys. It's a London based website. Okay, or you can see in pay in, payout, you can have a account settings, statements, PayPal. You can fix your PayPal in with the, alright, you can able to get these things, pay in with Amazon Pay, and lots of things. Okay, I just need to pay out. Okay, so new payout request your payments. Okay, you can see that you cannot request a payout balance. Minimum balance should be 25. Okay, so don't worry, guys, it's a passive way of income. I just do recommend you to just get these whole books published. Okay, whatever it is, guys, don't make it in a hurry that I should get the payment instantly. It's not gonna happen. It takes time. Just try to publish all the ebooks which is located in this website, and I just do recommend to publish whole of these things. Okay, you can also find the non-copyright musics as well, guys. Okay, if you want to do some releases, you can also do it. Okay, music projects, there is a ebook project like this. You can see that lots and lots of projects. Amazon affiliate marketing, direct selling, lots and lots of things it consists of. Okay, you can able to do lot of things. You can see that if I want to create a new release, I can do it in one side on the other. Okay, you can see that how to get the new release. Similar procedure, track upload, art and track order, and publish it. That's it. Just you need to do it. Just search it online, and how to get the non-copyright musics, I just do it for you. Okay, online free download non-copyright music. Okay, you can download, you can take the YouTube songs as well. Okay, which is does not contain any copyright strike, and you can come up in this website, the freestock.music. Okay, I just provide the links in this, whatever it is, just download it, free MP, very easy, guys. You can select the moods and the whatever thing it's needed, the artist name, title, subtitle, everything. Okay, the person on worldwide can create it. You can get the payments in dollars as well. Okay, it's a great way to do your passivate your income. Okay, you don't need to write book, you don't need to publish the book. You just spend your money and time with legally. Okay, it's a legal procedure. I have just guys, there are some publishers which want them to just resell it, who make their books free. You can sell it, resell it, they don't care about it. So those books that I need to resell it, publish it. Okay, so it's a good way, guys, that you can earn money. Okay, everyone can. If everyone can, why can't you? Okay, just hit the bell icon in the of my channel, and just click the like button as well, guys. I just want you to be focused. I just publish my video every single day because I want you to earn more. I want you to earn great. And guys, if you want to know some investment strategies as well, just do write in comment section how you can able to strategize, how you can invest better, so that you can do not have to pay some taxes as well. Okay, I just show you some great way where you can able to do your great investments, whether it's on stock market, mutual funds, everything. Okay, just write down in the comment section and I will try to make a video for you guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See ya.